money in your bank for when shit hits the fan. If you don't, you're not going to have a better to go to a job, and quote, generally the good ballpark is 85 bucks an hour. Don't cut yourself short and start working for 40, 45, $60 an hour, because you'll come home at the end of the week and wonder where the hell all your money's gone after all that hard work. You don't want to be burning yourself. Zero, it's a bit more expensive, but zero, you can take photos of your receipts and get on top of all your accounting and whatnot. Push mower, probably good to get too. Bench shafts, they're no good. Get a bloody straight shaft because you can get under trees, and bench shafts are kind of frowned upon in the industry. A rider mower is great, but it depends where you are. If you're in the city with small lawns, just get a push mower. If you're in the rural areas with bigger joints, get a ride on. Try and get a zero turn, because that's so much more efficient. Start out with a 7x5 trailer, get some ramps to go up on, so you can start from nothing and build yourself up fairly quick, as long as you don't cut yourself short. It's about commitment, determination, and you can get work. Be very active online, because nowadays everything is online. Yeah, not much else to it.